Want to make parallax effect in PowerPoint? Then try this. First, insert the image and duplicate it. Then select Remove Background and mark all the areas you want to keep. Now from Shapes, insert a rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle below the image and resize it. Remove the outline and add color from the image. After that, group the rectangle with the cutout. Insert a text and bring it in between both the images. Now add your content like this and drag it down one by one for the latency effect. Duplicate the slide and move the image and the contents upwards like I did. Lastly, apply the morph transition and you're done. Now save this video for future reference and follow for more tutorials.